Okay, I'm recording and Brandon's in the house, so he gets to hear my teacher voice. Flashback to 2020. Carlson's, Schmidthammer's. Does this look familiar? Since we're having a snow day, I figured I would read a book because you were making a lot of noise. Because we're talking about animals this week and pets next week, and it's one of my favorite units, so I figured I'd read a book. Goose, come here. I'll make Goose say hi at some point because we're going to read about puppies. And remember, we're talking about how animals are the same and how they are different. So puppies are the same because they're all a dog, but they're different in their appearance. Vocab word. Goose, come here. He's busy licking Brandon's plate. First page is retrievers. That's what Goose is. Come here. Goose. Oh, here he comes. Come here. You come say hello. Say hello. Say hello, kids. Okay, goodbye. Retrievers. They are friendly. They love to play with kids. There's a, oops, wrong way. Chocolate lab, a regular lab. Sometimes they're really white. Goose is a red lab. And there's black ones. So they're the same because they're retrievers. They're different because they come in different colors. Poodles. They come in 3 sizes. They are all really smart. This is a standard poodle. They're big. This is a miniature poodle. And there's a toy poodle. These ones are teeny tiny. Up here it says, fetch the answer. How do you care for a poodle's hair? So you see they have some spots that are shaved and some spots where their hair still is. It says, you need to trim it. A poodle's hair grows long, but like our hair does, a poodle doesn't shed. Beagles. Throw them a ball. They love to chase. Beagles often bark loudly, and they do it to get your attention. A lot of people use beagles for hunting dogs, because then when they find what they're hunting for, they bark. Pointers. They like to run. Give them lots of space. Some pointers are great swimmers. They have webbed feet like a duck, and this helps them pull their bodies through the water. Oh, I wish I could show you Goose's feet, but he doesn't like when I touch his feet. Goose, come here. Come on, hurry up. Come here. He knows I'm going to do something. Come here. Come here. He's mad. Okay. I knew he wouldn't like that. He doesn't like when I touch his feet. Now he's going to fight me. Okay, I can't show you his feet. But if you go like this, there's skin in between the fingers so they can push themselves through the water. Okay. Terriers. They have so much energy. Some jump 5 feet in the air. A question over here says, how do you take care of a terrier? Give them lots of exercise. They behave better when you keep them busy. So they like to play. Next one is bulldogs. They are calm and they are gentle with kids. There's over here the English bulldogs, and then on the other side, French bulldogs. So again, they're the same because they're all bulldogs, but they're a little bit different. These ones, oops, nope. These ones have squished faces and their ears are down, and these ones, they still have the squished face, but their ears are up and their bodies are a little bit different. German Shepherds. They become your friends. They keep you safe. Question. Why do police use German Shepherds? Answer. These dogs are smart and easy to teach. They can sniff out danger and find missing people. So they're used a lot as a police dog. Huskies. They like the snow. If you have a husky, It probably is outside today and is happy. They like the snow. Thick fur keeps them warm. Expert facts. Down here? Nope, over here. My computer's backwards from my hand. Huskies don't bark much, but they like to howl. All the puppies. They are adorable. Thanks, puppies. Oh, this is a groomer. A groomer is a person that takes care of dogs' fur. Meet a dog groomer, a person who washes puppies and trims their fur. What does she need to keep the puppies looking good? She has a brush. This one has really fine teeth that pull all the hair out. A comb, a scissors, and a hair clippers. Some dogs don't have to be groomed. Goose doesn't get groomed because his hair doesn't keep growing long. But if you have like a poodle or something that has hair that just grows and grows and grows, you have to get them a haircut. Okay, that's all I have. See you tomorrow. Wear your favorite book character outfit. I have mine.